Why'd you stop? Keep doing what you were doing in the car.
Sorry. It's the eye of the tiger, it's the thrill of the fight, rising up to the challenge of our rival. And the last known survivor stalks his prey in the night.
Carl!
Hi, Kathy. It's Clark here.
Yeah, he's doing a puzzle in the sunroom. How are you?
Great. Can you just get Clark, please?
Sure.
Rising up, back on the streets. Did my time, took my chances. Went the distance, now I'm back on my... Here he comes.
Carl, listen. I'm